Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to force close an app on Mac. So first of all, if an app is already open and not responding, move to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Apple icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Force Quit. A small Force Quit Applications pop-up window will appear on your screen. You can also open this Force Quit window directly using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Option plus Command plus Escape from your keyboard at the same time. Here, you will see the list of currently running applications. Now select the app that is frozen or not closing properly. After selecting it, click on the Force Quit button from the bottom right corner. A confirmation pop-up may appear on your screen. Simply click on Force Quit again to confirm. This will immediately close the selected application on your MacBook. Now again, select the frozen app and click on Force Quit to close it. And that's it. This is how you can force close an app on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.